At 1500C furnace temperatures, traditional CCD solutions face a critical challenge: blind measurement, intense light interference, limited pixel resolution, and measurement blind spots. Every level reading deviation can lead to costly silicon material loss. In extreme environments, the key is not just seeing the melt surface, but accurately capturing every single change. FEEJOY LLM-A10 high precision laser level transmitter, unaffected by intense light, 1500 degrees Celsius. Reducing silicon loss and improving crystal rod yield. 30mm ultra narrow viewing window penetration. No furnace modification, no equipment changes. Simple installation, ready to use. Mastering the full temperature range from 1000 to 3000 degrees Celsius. Extreme heat is no longer a measurement limitation. Say goodbye to CCD accuracy limitations and unstable measurement curves. The LLM-A10 delivers plus or minus 0.5mm absolute accuracy and 0.15mm repeatability, even under highly reflective targets with 90% reflectivity. It remains exceptionally stable, equipped with FEEJOY's proprietary patented orthogonal mixing phase detection technology. Through advanced noise separation in harsh thermal radiation environments, it extracts true level signals with precision, proven in 3 demanding industrial applications in photovoltaics and semiconductors. It enables millimeter-level control of crystal growth melt levels in steel and metallurgy. It prevents molten steel overflow and breakout risks in chemical level measurement. It provides non-contact monitoring for highly corrosive tanks with zero intrusion. 60-hour continuous extreme testing on a leading PV equipment production line in China. Zero tracking loss. Level plus or minus 0.5. Successfully overcoming semiconductor grade crystal rod yield challenges. Designed specifically for crystal growth furnaces, delivering a next-generation alternative to traditional CCD solutions. 100% localized supply chain support with fully independent core technologies. Ready stock for fast delivery with 4-hour rapid response service. To ensure reliable operation, LLM-A10 high-precision laser-level transmitter, conquering extreme heat, redefining precision. 5 product categories: one-stop precision, flow-level pressure vacuum fluid control, sensing solutions. FEEJOY technology, a leading developer of industrial sensor solutions in China.
FEEJOY